What's going on, guys? This is Chris, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Japanese toolbox. So question number one is typically, what is a Japanese toolbox? Now, a Japanese toolbox is characterized by having a locking wedge mechanism that fixes the lid in place. This is an angled piece that is actually fitting in between two corresponding angles to create a locking fit for your lids. Each of these has a very similar style. This is the initial box that I learned how to build. This is actually a design from Bike City Woodworks. This is considered his mini Japanese toolbox. I made this about 2.5 years ago. Just a couple weeks ago, I made this much larger version, the not so mini Japanese toolbox, and this has proud dovetails and is a substantially larger piece. This is made from a lot of different scraps that I had laying around, some quarter sawn sycamore, mahogany, ash, maple, and then with some Honduran rosewood dowels. A lot of Japanese toolboxes have dowels that are fitting everything into place, specifically your caps as well as fixing your bottom end, additionally pinning the lid as well. Now, this is the most recent iteration and the one that you're going to see a video on today. This is live edge rosewood with mahogany, a rosewood lid, maple fixtures. This does not actually have an end cap. Here you have the live edge that runs a little bit proud. Therefore, when the wedge is actually put in place, the wedge applies pressure onto this back and therefore is fixed, solid. This is going to be a voiceover free video, just pure watch me work. If you want to see more about how to cut freehand dovetails the way that I did in this video, please click on the link up in the corner. That's going to be a full, very detailed voiceover explanation as to how to cut freehand dovetails. So with that said, let's get to the build. for watching. One of the things I love about this project is the fact that you can do it with literally any little pieces of scrap wood that you have laying around. It's a woodworker's dream for trying to clear out some extra material that you have and just some odd offcuts that don't quite go to anything else. So here I'm using rosewood. There were leftovers from the spear gun build I've been working on, and that spear gun build will be coming to the channel eventually. If these voiceover free videos are something you'd like to see more of, please feel free to let me know in the comments below. I'll also have the Bike City Woodworks mini Japanese toolbox plans linked in the description as well. As always, thanks for watching, and see you next time here at Cowdog Craftworks. And as you can see, this is an angled wedge that is actually fit in between two different wedges to create a wedging. There's an end cap, there's an end cap and there's a front cap and an end cap. There's a front cap and an end cap. This does not have an